Sabo w'ekitiibwa okulonda kwagenda bulungi. Naye sabo w'ekitiibwa nga tumaze okufuna DR form. Twakeera enkya ne twewuunya nga batugambye nti wetulondera bazzeemu bakomyewo bakole ki? Balonde. Ne tubagamba ani yakibagambye. Ne batugamba siwaayiriza nti RDC yabatumye nti owa NRM oba mu ngeri ki oba ngeri ki ateeka okukola ki?
N'abaserikale ne bakwata abantu abo. Era twagala kumanya abantu abo baliwa be bakwata bakuwa.
DPC aliwa. DPC yangwano wakazindalo. DPC, the community is alleging that you are the one, you face them. You are the one who mismanaged the election and security on that day. That you arrested the people and took them. Where are the people you arrested? That even you took the presiding office of this polling station. Where did you take the presiding officer?
Okay, thank you, sir. We got information that at one home, the home of one candidate, there were about 300 people. So we responded in the morning before the elections opened at around 5 in the morning, but we only got around 9 people. We took them to the police as a preventive arrest and detained them. Then later on, the next day, we kept them the whole day, then the next day, we released them on bond because there was no complaint. But that was 10 people who were at the home of the candidate. And they said there were around 300 people who were at the home. So they on the bond, they are reporting. Then the one of the presiding officer, promotion started after he declared the results. And as our duty, rescue him from the mob, the confusion which was caused.
Since you are here, yes, who are the bigger number?
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.